Okay, I'm gonna show you my method of making white sage oil. I use the microwave. Well, what I use is coconut oil. You see the coconut oil. So then I grab some white sage that I got from California. It's already dried up. I need to enhance it. Kind of hard to take out. Need enough in there so when it starts heating up, it'll release the crystals of the white sage. Okay. Now I'm gonna put it in the microwave. Half a second. Don't put it too long because you remember you're heating oil. And remember, it's going to be super hot. Different oils. The one I recommend is coconut oil. Do not use other oils. I do not recommend it. Okay, let's see how if it's already done. So basically what I'm doing is just heating it up, letting it release its molecules. Don't put it in a glass container, please. I'm using a ceramic cup. You could hear it sizzling back there. Do not do this if you're under 18. Get someone else to do it for you. But white sage oil is kind of expensive. And this is what you get. It's still even sizzling. But if you see, it's yellow, and coconut oil is actually very clear. Like I said, you don't want to overdo it. Just enough that it releases. And if it's not turning yellow, you need more leaves in there. Like I do. I think I need more leaves. But that's how I did my coconut. It's a mixture of white sage, leaves, and coconut oil. And all you have to do is filter it out, and you'll put it anywhere you want. Okay, until next time. If you like my video, subscribe and press like. Luis Martinez out.